In the heart of the Rockies, where adventure takes flight, Colorado's beauty shines. Oh, what a breathtaking sight. From the peaks of the Rockies to the canyons deep and wide, this state's natural wonders fill you with awe pride. Hike through the majestic maroon bells so grand and tall, or ski down the slopes of Aspen where winter's beauty calls. Visit Garden of the Gods, where rock formations amaze, or explore the beauty of Rocky Mountain National Park's endless maze. In the Centennial State, nature's splendor knows no bounds, with stunning landscapes and outdoor treasures that astound. So come and experience the magic that Colorado brings. A place for adventure and natural beauty that truly sings. And for more incredible content, follow, like, and subscribe. And smash that bell to stay notified. Don't let it slide.